DeWALT DW101, 4.5 amps, old school. So you might be asking yourself, all these cool new tools we got nowadays, why would you bother replacing the cord on something like this? It's made in the USA. I'll tell you why you would replace the cord on this, because these still have value. You're gonna mix a bucket of mortar. This is your guy. You're gonna run a 5-foot spade bit through ceiling joists with insulation in there getting tangled up. This is the guy you want. Here's my old Milwaukee M18. Motor shot. 5-foot spade bit killed this because I was too lazy to go downstairs and get that. Motor's discontinued. Thank you, Milwaukee. Not available anymore. Can't fix it. Don't know why it's still sitting around here, because I have trouble throwing things away. So, let's throw a new cord in this guy. Make this a nice, simple video. Let's do it. It's really nice out today, so sorry about the birds chirping and airplanes flying. I think I just heard the L train. But I'm so sick of sitting in this garage all cooped up with the doors shut. It's stuffy. That was the tripod. And for a Sunday in March, what more could you ask for? It's like 65 degrees outside. So there you go. Here's our $10 Amazon replacement, 2 wires. Not UL listed, but Intratec, 13 amps. That'll be more than enough. Conforms to UL standards. $10, perfect. So, on this one, I don't see a way to disconnect this, so we're gonna chop this wire. We'll just solder a little heat shrink tubing on it. Got some butane in this, I hope. Let's find out. It's got butane in it. Why does nothing ever work? I don't know if you know this, but butane does expire. This is so hard. Mac Tools, you're killing me. Finally. Man, this thing was so bad. So bad. It's like 18 gauge. There are Harbor Freight heat shrinks. Harbor Freight's good for some stuff. Not a lot of stuff. but some stuff. Some green looking wire right there. I guess what do you want for 10 bucks from Amazon? Let's see if we can't get to the copper looking stuff. It's a little better. We'll use what we got. Copper on the tool looks a little better. Trick to soldering is heat the wire. Takes longer. But if you just heat the solder up on the soldering iron and then just rub it on there, it's not the same thing. At least that's what my dad taught me when I was like 6. Sometimes it takes forever. Probably doesn't matter considering how green this wire is, but you know, try and split them both. This is cheating, but it works. Yeah. You know your tool is old. When the bubble level liquid is all evaporated out. Old. I don't know how old this is, but it wasn't originally mine. But since I can't find mine, it's probably in my basement buried somewhere. This will be my new mine. We are down to our last sliver of solder. So I'm sure I will burn myself on this one. See if we can do it before the next plane comes. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. All right, good. So we've effectively heat shrunk our heat shrinks by soldering. I should have cut these in half, but I didn't. So we'll just give them a little cut. Sweet, let's put it together, see how we did. Let's make it official. It says prime on it, so you know it's gotta be good. Why does every cord nowadays have to have a tag on it? Why? You should see the tags that came off this table saw. It was giant, huge. It was like 4 of them. Why? Good. Let's give it a whirl. Got some DeWALT drill bits because I don't want any bad juju, you know. Beautiful. Beautiful. Not too many tools have that sticker on them anymore. Made in the USA. High performance industrial tools. DeWALT? I agree. A little crunchy feeling. Probably good for another 40 years. See you in the next video. Look at this crap. Look at this. Don't use a tool like this. Don't do it. What did it take me? About 10 minutes, 12 minutes. Terrible. It's one of the worst ones I've ever seen. There's no reason to use a tool like this. 10 bucks. 10 bucks, 10 minutes. A little soldering. Soldering's good for you.